worked within IT industry for like 4 years. So the reason I'm standing here is because I'm really interested in integrating everyone horizontally as well as vertically. So by horizontally, I mean within the class, with peer groups, and by vertically, I mean with your alumni and your professionals. So when I talked to Akshay, who's Vice President of Internal, and asked him about the roles and responsibilities of Internal, he told me that it will be handling the committees, that is social and volunteer and sports, and also the organizing of events like case competition primer, case competitions, as well as Jasper event. So it really got my attention, and I'm so excited to be a part of this because having a bit of experience in organizing social events before at my workplace, I have some ideas that I would like to bring on the table for as a student rep. And so you all must have heard about MBA. Like MBA is all about networking with people and knowing everyone and making bonds with them. So my first idea is just on that. It is to organize a social event on a Saturday every month. So I am putting it on a Saturday because it will be easier for everyone to join in, like part-time, full-time, fast-track, as well as alumni, as well, and also on a weekend so that everyone is okay to be there and is participative, and they don't have to worry about going early tomorrow and the next day basically. And this event will be different from Devoni's event because as it will include board game dates or maybe sport get together or maybe studying together or a cultural event or a session from alumni. My second idea is to streamline the internal communications. I want to make it better, and I want to make it better by having one place for all. So by one place for all, I mean that maybe have a specific folder that can be shared with a group of people and with everyone, and notify everyone with the details and deadlines and everything, because right now it's like we have hundreds of mails and it's hard to keep up with each and every event and workshops and exams and everything. So it will make our lives easier if we have one single email or one single folder for that, so that you can just go through it and you don't have to worry about missing on those deadlines. And lastly, I'd like to say that if I become a first year rep, I would leverage this opportunity to gather immediate feedback on events that we'll be organizing, so that it's easier for us to improve on immediately and we won't have to wait for it. And in the end, I would say that I listen to all of your concerns, feedback, and ideas, and I will forward them to your Vice President and President so that it can be implemented as soon as possible. And for this to be possible, I will need your votes, so please vote for me. Thank you.